In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to convert Figma to PSD. If you've designed something in Figma and need a fully layered Photoshop file, this process is quick and reliable. We'll grab a local copy from Figma, open it in photopea, and then save it as a PSD, keeping your layers, groups, and text intact. Start by opening your project in Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure the file you want to convert is active on your canvas so Figma knows which project you're working with. At the top left, click the Figma icon. This opens the main menu where all your file options live. From there, choose File. Inside the File menu, select Save Local Copy. Figma will download a FIG file to your computer. This is a full packaged version of your design, not just an export. It preserves structure like pages, frames, layers, and styles, which is important for the conversion. If your project is large, give it a moment to finish downloading. Next, open photopea in your browser. It's a free web-based editor that mirrors a lot of Photoshop's features and can read Figma files directly. Take the .fig file you just downloaded and drag and drop it onto the photopea workspace. Photopea will load the document and convert it on the fly. Depending on complexity, this can take a bit. If you see font warnings, that's normal. Photopea will substitute missing fonts unless you have them available. Once it opens, you can edit the design much like you would in Photoshop. Your layers and groups appear in the Layers panel, vector shapes remain editable, and text layers can be adjusted with the Type tool. This is a great moment to scan your layout, check alignment, and verify that effects such as shadows, gradients, and blending modes look correct. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save it as a PSD. Go to the top left, click File, and choose Save as PSD. Photopea will prepare a layered Photoshop file that you can download. Save it to a convenient location so you can hand it off or open it directly in Photoshop later. That PSD will preserve your layer structure, making future edits fast and familiar. Before you wrap up, if colors look slightly different after conversion, double check color settings in Photoshop and let teammates know about any font substitutions they may need. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.